So today we're going to talk a little bit about the pros and cons, the benefits and disadvantages of using return activated sludge, commonly in the industry referred to as RAS. Before watching this segment, I'd recommend you view the larger technical comparison of the Organica FCR to activated sludge processes. But specifically looking at return activated sludge utilization, it is where the solid separation, most commonly a clarifier, collects the mixed liquor biomass in the bottom of the clarifier, and then a portion of that is recycled back into the biological process that allows the organisms to grow and maintain a specific age, if you will, commonly referred to as sludge retention time or mean cell residence time, SRT, MCRT. So with the Organica FCR, we do not utilize in most applications return activated sludge. The challenge with the FCR is that the return activated sludge promotes the growth of suspended growth organisms that float in the water as opposed to attached growth organisms that are fixed in the biofilm. And so by eliminating the return, we don't give the organisms the opportunity to continue to grow and multiply and reproduce. So the elimination of the RAS is not unique to the FCR. It's very common in many biofilm-based systems using attached growth organisms. But just to summarize the benefits, certainly the primary benefit is around reducing solids loading and allowing the use of a disc filter in replacing a clarifier by reducing the number of suspended solids in the liquid. And that's, again, a result of the attached growth organisms. Further, by removing these suspended growth organisms from the water viscosity changes and it becomes much more like a clean fluid. These clean fluids without lots of suspended organisms in there behave differently with lower viscosity, and therefore they see improved oxygen transfer, characterized through design as an improved alpha factor. And this alpha factor can significantly impact, and in this case, a higher alpha factor will significantly decrease the air requirements and therefore energy requirements of the system. Doing so extends the effective sludge age of the biofilm, which reduces the overall sludge production, simplifies operation by taking one additional recycle loop out of the process, and again, as I mentioned previously, reduce both the capital and operating cost by eliminating the pumping and the pumps and pipes associated with returning the sludge. On the disadvantages, there's only a couple. None of them are major in significance, but you do see a slightly reduced solids concentration in your waste sludge that is sent off for further processing. You lose the direct control or the ability as an operator to specifically manage your sludge retention time by increasing and decreasing your sludge wasting rate. And then lastly, the suspended growth organisms that are commonly included in the RAS would be required for a facility to do biological phosphorus removal, which requires the organisms to circulate between anaerobic and aerobic conditions. But on the whole, while the FCR is capable of using mixed liquor with RAS, the advantages of not using it greatly outweigh the disadvantages in most applications.